Hey there YouTube, this is the Scorch Torch Orion double jet flame flip top cigar torch lighter. It's a long name, but it's basically just a high-tech Zippo. It's almost even got the Zippo click. It's got two jets. You adjust the flame with this handy knob. As you can see, looks a lot like a Zippo. Zippo, click. This one doesn't have as much of a click though. The refill valve is a little off, but it doesn't really matter because it feels good. I'm using Zippo butane fuel again. Came with this baggie inside this box. Last time I almost burned the house down, so I sprayed these bandanas with water, and I have a spray bottle. See? Safe. I should take that out. Alright, see? Safety. That's pretty good. I don't really like how it's off a little bit, but it's fine. Doesn't really matter. It can be tricky to refill though. Alright, thanks for watching. Feel free to like, subscribe, you don't have to, but I really don't know if it helps at all, but thanks.